Hey everybody, Deb Tomorrow Realtor here. I am at 1104 East Jamie Lane, which is in Sherbrooke Place, which is a condo village on the south side of Bloomington. There's a few condo villages kind of lined up, Peppergrass and Pepper Ridge, and then Sherbrooke Place. This is 77 unit condo village around a couple of ponds. There's a clubhouse and a pool. Really, really lovely units. You're going to see the floor plans are nice, vaulted ceilings, nice finishes. This one has an amazing sunroom, but it's in a really nice neighborhood too. Like there's houses. This is kind of right on the edge. So right across the street, you've got some nice good sized homes, sidewalks everywhere that kind of wind through all of the condo villages as well as the neighborhood. And so I think that's really nice that if you like to be outside, you've got places you can explore. There's a 2-car garage. Everything on the exterior is maintained by the homeowner association. The roof, the siding, the gutters are cleaned, the landscaping, the driveway, all the way up to the front door, and that's snow as well as just regular maintenance. So very, very maintenance-free living, which is super attractive. So let's go take a look inside. As we're walking in, I wanted to show you this super cute fall entry, but really wanted to point out to you that this is no step entry into this house. So this has just got a little bit of a ramp lip that's, a half an inch to this covered porch, which I think is great. So if you're coming in this way and you're fumbling with keys, and then you walk in the front door, and again, it's just the threshold. There are no steps to get into this house. There is an ADA shower or an accessible shower as well. So this is great if that's something you're concerned about. And here we go. So I'm going to kind of give you the lay of the land. Kitchen and a casual dining here. And then we've got living room. And then this house has 3 bedrooms, and they're really split. Like each corner is kind of a bedroom, which is nice. So you know how nobody's ever on the same sleep schedule. So if you've got someone watching TV and someone trying to sleep, you can really have them in opposite corners of the house. So there's a bedroom, bathroom, sunroom, bedroom, and dining. So we'll go through and do that in more detail, but I wanted to kind of give you a general overview. Okay, so I'm standing at the front door, and I'm going to turn to my left and enter the kitchen area. It's got great storage in here. This is solid surface countertops. They've got a planning desk right here, and then obviously a eating area. There's also a more formal space if you want to use that as a formal dining room. We've got a couple options. I like that this has a window right here, so that brings in some nice light in the dining area. And then here's your kitchen. This place is impeccably clean too, I have to tell you. There is a pantry right here, so we've got built-in shelving. And all the appliances are included, stainless steel. And then it's got this little window open to the more formal dining area. So if someone's watching TV over in the living room, you can holler at them. And then back here we've got mechanicals on one side and washer dryer on the other side. And then this also opens right into your garage. Now, I don't normally show garages, but I'm going to, because again, this step is about 2 inches. So really just kind of the threshold and thickness of the floor. Very, very clean garage. You do have pull down stairs, attic, and tons more storage out here as well. And it's an oversized 2-car garage, so nice and deep. You can definitely get 2 cars in here pretty easily. Okay, so going back in, another shot of the kitchen. This kitchen also has a skylight, so that's nice for that morning light as you're sitting in here having coffee. Front door. I'm going to come this way. So this would be formal dining area. It could also be another sitting area. I could see an office area. Envision this maybe like lined with bookshelves. It could be like a library area if you didn't need the more formal dining space. So I love when rooms give you options. And they've got some interesting, like there's a shelf up here. I always joke and say that's for your Longaberger basket collection, but I'm not sure if people still collect Longaberger baskets or not. But you've got a little bit of architectural interest there as well. This is like what I would consider the 3rd bedroom. So we'll come back to that. And then this is the main living room, the great room, ceilings vaulted. There are ceiling fans in all these rooms. There's another skylight here as well. And this is just a really nice, comfortable space. It's open, you can move through it, which is nice. Again, if you're someone who's looking at this property for aging, because I was talking about lack of, there's no steps, you've got nice wide openings so you can maneuver around easily. That's something we talk about a lot, especially in single-story condos, that sometimes the buyer for that has some future mobility concerns. This is the primary bedroom. Trying to decide if I want to show you that or the sunroom. Nope, we're gonna go to the sunroom first because this is my favorite room. I love this room with all the blinds up. It's really nice. It's got its own little supplemental heating and cooling, but it is open to the rest of the house. And it's just a really lovely room. They actually had a TV in here and spent a lot of time in this space. And then it opens to the back patio, which I will come back to. But I wanted to show you that as sort of an extra. This could be a great reading room, or like I had a client who bought a condo similarly. It had this little sunroom and it was gonna be kind of her knitting room. So yeah, I really like this space. Okay, now let's do the bedrooms. So this is the primary bedroom. This is a queen size bed, definitely room for a king. I mean, this is a good size room. There's big pieces of furniture throughout. Walk-in closet right here. And then the bath has a stand-up shower right there. Again, everything is just impeccably clean in here. And then this is just a linen closet, but it's nice and deep. Okay, so that's the primary bedroom. Ceiling fan. Everything's got a nice, pretty fresh coat of paint, or not very old paint. The paint's in really good condition. All right, let's go bedroom number 2. So again, queen size bed, but room for a little couch chair. So again, good size room, ceiling fan, and then a double wide closet there. Let me come back into this corner and kind of show you. This one's at the front of the house. The primary bedroom is in the back of the house. Then the second bathroom, guest bath, is here. This one also just has one small step to get into the shower and some good grab bars. So this bathroom has been redone. I love these countertops. I don't know if you can see them or not. They have sparkles in them. Okay. And then we'll come across here, and then this is what I would consider the third bedroom. A lot of people use this as a study or an office or just a secondary TV room. You've got the vaulted ceiling in here again that carries through in here, and the double closet there as well. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything inside. Have you seen everything you want to see? You've got coat closet in the front hallway. People always ask about that. So you've got coat closet there. Yeah. And a gas fireplace. All right, let's go outside. So I think sometimes outdoor living is sort of overlooked in condo living, but they've done a nice job with these units. You've got this patio back here, plenty of room for a table. You've got a hose, and then these little beds. So there's not too much to maintain, but you can maintain these. Add a little color, but all of the grass, all of the front flower beds, again, all the exteriors of the building are all maintained by the homeowner association. They do have some nice rose bushes here as well. So this is the back part of the unit. Again, 77 units in this neighborhood, so it's not huge. I think it's got a really great feel. It's kind of surrounded around a couple of ponds. This is a really, really nice unit. I encourage you to come take a look.